Still wasting hours in Photoshop dragging sliders and masking layers just to make one decent edit? That is old school. AI photo editors are here, and they're not just fast, they're scary good. I'm talking one-click retouching, instant background removal, and even full-on image generation that looks studio shot. In this video, I'm reviewing the top AI-powered photo editing apps that are changing the game for creators, marketers, and small business owners. Let's be real. Most people don't have time or skills for high-quality photo editing. You either spend hours learning complicated software or you pay someone else to do it. And even then, results aren't guaranteed. It's expensive, it's frustrating, and it slows down your content pipeline. But now, AI is doing in seconds what used to take hours. Whether you need to clean up your headshots, generate ad creatives, or make your product photos pop, there's an AI tool for that. Stick around because I'm going to show you the best AI photo editors out right now, with real examples, honest pros and cons, and which one you should try first. And hey, before we jump into it, if you're interested in mastering AI or want me to build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. Now, let's get dangerous. Luminar Neo is a photo editing platform built by Skylum, optimized for photographers and content creators who want powerful results with fewer clicks. It stands out for its AI-driven tools that accelerate complex edits like sky replacement, background removal, texture enhancement, and generative editing, making it especially strong for users who want high-impact visuals without spending hours in masking and layer work. According to reviews, it's full of fantastic AI editing tools that not only save you time, but also help you produce some stunning results in just a few seconds. Here are some of the highlight capabilities and workflows where Luminar Neo really shines. Sky AI and Atmosphere AI replace skies, add atmospheric effects like fog, haze, and sun rays with 1 or 2 clicks. With background or subject removal, you can automatically detect subjects and remove background or unwanted objects. Good for product shots, portraits, and e-commerce contexts. Structure AI and Super Sharp AI let you improve detail selectively. The Structure AI tool boosts clarity and contrast while being human aware. It avoids over-processing faces and skin. Generative AI tools like Gen Erase, Gen Swap, and Gen Expand allow for expansion of canvas, object insertion, and removal using generative AI tech. And Relight AI analyzes scene depth and allows light adjustments for foreground and background, particularly handy when lighting conditions aren't ideal. 2024 and 2025 updates have also introduced Smart Search, where you can find images by scene content and virtual copies, improving efficiency. Content creators and social media teams get rapid background removal and retouching to get pics ready for Instagram, ads, and thumbnails. Small business owners and e-commerce agencies can get product photos, clean backgrounds with quick enhancement and less outsourcing. And amateur to semi-pro photographers want pro-level edits without the steep learning curve of something like Photoshop or Capture One. Reviewers say Luminar Neo is gradually becoming a confident editor and a welcome alternative to Lightroom or Capture One. What makes this tool compelling from an AI expert review standpoint? The Structure AI tool allows you to adjust the detail and clarity of an image, and it's also human aware, so it doesn't overprocess people in your image. The generative features. Pros is it's a big time saver. Reviewers say you can achieve stunning edits much faster than traditional manual workflows. It is beginner-friendly, yet powerful. You get a good balance of ease of use and advanced features. Relatively simple to use compared to other apps, it's especially good for beginners. Strong value for money compared to full suite software with perpetual license options. And constant updates add meaningful features, like AI improvements and workflow enhancements. Cons are you sometimes have potential for an overcooked look. As one Reddit user commented, it's very easy for photos to look overcooked with Luminar edits in my opinion. It's not yet as fully featured in all areas as some high-end professional tools. For example, there's a lack of some advanced merging, selective controls compared to full Photoshop and Lightroom power. There are performance and compatibility issues. Some users noted slower performance on large RAW files or needed powerful hardware for max speed. While AI is powerful, it still sometimes requires fine-tuning. For example, generative tools that may need manual tweaks after initial result. My verdict, 8.5 out of 10. Try it if you're a creator, small business owner, or photographer who wants to dramatically speed up your photo editing workflow, needs high quality results without spending massive time on masking and manual corrections, or would benefit from AI-driven tools like sky replacement, background removal, generative edits, and want a more intuitive interface. Maybe skip or wait if you are a professional retoucher or need the absolute highest level of fine control, like zonal local adjustments, extremely large prints, or ultra-critical print workflows. In that case, you might need a secondary tool or combine Luminar Neo with your main workflow. In short, Luminar Neo is one of the top apps on the market for AI-powered photo editing in 2025. If you're looking to plug in and produce great visuals fast, this is a very strong option. Just keep an eye on not going too heavy with the sliders. Fotor is a browser-based, all-in-one photo editing and design tool that leans heavily on AI, especially for users who want quick, strong visual results with minimal fuss. It's best suited for creators, small business owners, and social media users and marketers who need fast edits and creative generation rather than deep manual retouching like a pro photographer might. It describes itself as your all-in-one photo editing toolbox. Upload a photo and say or type what you want. Fotor's smart agent understands your commands and applies multiple edits at once. Its key features include the one-click photo enhancer, automatically improves lighting, color, and clarity, useful for quick social posts. Background and object removers, remove backgrounds or unwanted objects with minimal effort. The AI image and design generator, create new images from text prompts, expand canvases, and generate avatars or designs. Batch editing and workflow tools. The AI Photo Editor Online page. You can apply edits to multiple files at once for efficiency. Web and multi-platform access. Works in browser, mobile apps, desktop, making it accessible for non-specialist users. Pros include very user-friendly. Reviewers say it's ridiculously easy to use and accessible even if you're not a designer. You have good value, especially for quick editing and AI generation at a lower barrier of entry. One review says, although Fotor has its flaws, it's still one of the best free or budget design photo editors around. Broad AI toolkit, from background removal to text-to-image generation, you get a lot of capability in one platform. And it's web-based. There's no heavy install or deep learning, so it's good for fast workflows and non-specialists. Cons are that some users complain about the credit or subscription model. For example, free credits run out, and some feel that the cost isn't transparent. While simple, it may lack the fine-tuned control and precision of professional tools like layers and selective adjustments. You trade some depth for speed, which means your workflow is capped. Because it's broader and feature-rich, some users felt overwhelmed by too many choices, or the interface had a decision overload effect. There's also variation in results. Some AI generation may require manual tweak afterward. It's not always perfect out of the box. My verdict? 8 out of 10. Definitely try it if you're a content creator, a small business owner, social media manager, or non-professional editor who wants to get good results fast. If you're wanting a single platform for both editing existing photos and generating new visuals, like designs and AI images, without jumping between 10 tools. If you're on a moderate budget and willing to trade some deep control for speed and ease. Maybe skip or supplement if you're a professional retoucher or a photographer needing fine-grained control, layer-level editing, or high-end print workflows. You may need some missing advanced features. If you're very concerned about subscription or credit structure and want fully predictable cost upfront, check terms carefully. All in all, Fotor is a very strong choice when your priority is speed, creativity, and AI-driven results rather than decades-long mastering of manual editing. Canva is a cloud-based, all-in-one design platform that has rapidly added AI photo editing and generative design capabilities under its Magic Studio banner. It's best suited for creators, marketers, small businesses, or non-designers who need fast, high-quality visuals rather than spending hours on complex software. You'll find it strong where the goal is make a visual, get it done, publish it now, rather than fine-tune pixel by pixel. Key features include template and visual suites. Canva offers hundreds of thousands of templates covering social posts, presentations, websites, prints, and more. The photo editing features include background removal, object removal, brush-based edits, and generative fill. For example, the AI generative fill feature lets you add, modify, and replace elements in a photo via simple prompts. Generative design and image creation work with Magic Design and Magic Studio, where you can type a prompt and get a ready-to-go design, such as image or video, that you can further edit. Workflow speed and multi-format support. Canva emphasizes being able to turn one design into many, resize for multiple platforms, maintain brand consistency, etc. Your best use cases are things like a social media manager needing to run a quick ad creative or thumbnail, a small business owner doing product shots or promotional visuals without hiring a designer, and a non-designer who needs a polished presentation, graphic, or photo edit in minutes. For its pros, Canva is very user-friendly. Users report that Canva's AI features are very easy to navigate and particularly helpful if you're not a professional designer. You have a huge template and element library that makes it easy to combine the AI output with ready-made graphics, layouts, and design assets. It's a time saver. Many users say the AI tool sped up the editing and design processes significantly. It addresses photo editing, design creation, image generation, and text generation in one tool. For its cons, it has limited control compared to pro tools. For users needing extremely fine-grained editing, layer control, high-end retouching, Canva may feel constrained. AI output can be inconsistent. Some users on Reddit report frustration. There are also free plan limits in a subscription model. Some AI features require pro or paid tiers, for example certain credits and generative fill usage. There is also a design originality risk, because many templates are used widely and AI suggestions may look generic unless further customized. My verdict, 8 out of 10. Definitely try it if you're a content creator, marketer, or a small business owner who needs to get good visuals fast without deep design skills. If you're someone who wants one tool that covers photo editing, design, image generation, and text generation. Or if you're on a moderate budget and willing to trade some fine control for speed and simplicity. Maybe skip or supplement if you're a professional retoucher, photographer, or designer needing ultra-precise control, layer workflows, and high-end print-ready files. Or someone in a free tier and heavily relying on the AI features that may have usage caps or limitations. Canva has done a fantastic job bringing AI into mainstream design and photo editing workflows. If you're producing visuals at scale and want speed and simplicity, it's a strong pick. Just be aware that magic doesn't always equal perfection. A little human tweak goes a long way. Picsart is a trendy, feature-rich video and photo editing platform whose recent focus on AI upgrades makes it stand out for creators, social media users, and marketers who want fast, high-impact visuals with minimal setup. It's best at combining classic editing tools with AI-powered automation so you can move from idea to polished output quickly. Its key features include an AI image generator. You type a phrase or sentence, choose a style, and generate images in seconds. AI enhance or image upscaling. You can upload an image and let AI fix blur, increase resolution, and sharpen details automatically. AI replace or object swap. Select an object in the photo, describe what should replace it, like a hair color change, object removal, or scenery change, and AI does the heavy lifting. It's a complete editing suite with templates and social focus. Besides the AI tools, Picsart includes a massive library of templates, designs, stickers, filters, videos, and effects, ideal for creators working for Instagram and ads. You also have integration between web, mobile, and API. It's available on web and mobile apps and for business developer use via APIs. Its pros include highly user-friendly, especially for non-designers. One user said it's my go-to app for adding that extra bit of flair to my photos. It's an extremely easy way to use an app that allows me to express my creativity in endless ways. It's widely versatile. It's not just a photo editor. Template library, video features, and generative AI make it a create for social and marketing tool. You have real speed and meaningful AI improvements. As Tech Radar noted, this AI art app is so good I'm ready to cancel my Photoshop. I particularly like the ability to adjust the intensity of the enhancement. Cons include subscription and monetization complaints. Many users on review platforms complain about unexpected charges, tricky cancellation, and premium features locked behind paywalls. Performance and stability issues. Some users report lagging, crashing, especially with large projects. Some users want deeper control. If you're a retoucher needing pixel-perfect layer control or very high-end print workflows, Picsart might feel limited compared to pro software. Because it aims at speed and broad users, results can sometimes require tweaking. The easy AI doesn't always replace experienced manual editing. My verdict, 8 out of 10. Try it if you're a creator, marketer, or social media manager who wants to produce visuals fast and doesn't want a steep learning curve. Or someone who wants a single tool that covers photo editing, generative image creation, and social or marketing-friendly layout templates. Or on a moderate budget and willing to accept some subscription features and trade-offs of full pro control for speed and creativity. Adobe Firefly is the generative AI engine from Adobe Inc. network that powers everything from text to image to image, generative fill or expand in Photoshop, and more. It's best for professionals, agencies, and creators who already work in the Adobe ecosystem and want high-quality AI-powered edits, commercial-safe outputs, and tight integration into full creative workflows. In short, if you need both editing power via Photoshop and generative AI super capabilities via Firefly, this combo hits hard. Its key features include text-to-image generation, use everyday words to generate new images from scratch, generative fill and expand in Photoshop, where you can upload an image and use Firefly models to remove, add, or expand content with simple text prompts or brushes. For example, image to video with a text to video in beta. Firefly offers video generation from static images or text prompts and integrates into broader Adobe workflows. Commercial safe licensing and integration. Because it's from Adobe, many users are comfortable using its generated content for commercial use, which is important for marketers and businesses. The workflow integration works inside Photoshop, Illustrator, Express, plus via APIs for scaled and automated production. Its pros include high-quality output. Firefly's visuals are polished enough for professional use. It has strong ecosystem integration. If you already use Adobe's Creative Cloud, deploying Firefly and Photoshop AI fits naturally. You have commercial safety and licensing clarity because Adobe emphasizes models trained on licensed images and business usage. It's scalable for enterprises. APIs enable automation and large-scale creative generation. Cons include cost and licensing complexity. Some users feel the pricing and credit usage model is expensive or confusing. There are feature gaps in some areas. For example, the video generation is still in beta, or certain advanced controls might be missing. There is a learning curve for prompt or manual editing synergy. While powerful, some outputs may still require manual polish in Photoshop for final tier production, and there's an over-reliance risk. For absolute fine-grained control, like high-end retouching and advanced compositing, you may still need full manual workflows. My verdict? 9 out of 10. Try it if you're a content creator, design agency, or business owner who uses Adobe tools already and needs both AI generation and professional editing. If you're someone who values commercial-safe, brand-ready visuals and is comfortable investing in a higher tier tool for quality and integration. Or if you're looking to scale your visual output like campaigns, social, and assets while maintaining quality and control. So there you have it. 5 of the best AI-powered photo editing tools that are completely rewriting the rules. Whether you're creating content, running a business, or just trying to look sharper on your next LinkedIn post, these tools are no longer nice to have. Some are lightning fast, some are surprisingly powerful, and some will make you question why you ever did anything manually in the first place. But remember, tools alone don't build, systems do. And that's where I come in. If you're interested in mastering AI or building a custom automation for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.